Good morning, friend. We are discussing about the Vision IS5 question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the polity section, in which they are asking about the state legislature, the function of the state legislature. Basically, the statement is said like that: the state legislature can perform which of the following function with respect to the urban local government. 74th Constitution Amendment in 1992 make and materialize the urban local government through Article 40 in the Indian Constitution, where the state government has power to make the some of the optional thing and some are the important thing that they should be. So the following function can be: number first, provide for the maintenance and the audit of the account by the municipality. So it is important for them to have a maintenance of the audit of account. Second, decide on the authority of which an election petition can be filed to question the municipality election. So it is like that the PIL regarding the election of municipality can be go to them and they decide whether it should go for the re-election or not. Third, the manner of election of the chairperson of the municipalities. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. I again repeat the question: the state legislature can perform which of the following functions with respect to the urban local government. Basically, the first, provide for the maintenance and audit of the account by the municipality. Decide on authority to which an election petition can be filed questioning the municipality election. Number third, manner of election of the chairperson of the municipality. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is regarding the stupas and the state that they are associated with. Number first is the Jagyapeta in Andhra Pradesh, Devni Mori in Madhya Pradesh. Third, Sannati in Karnataka. I again repeat the question for the you people. Number first, stupa site that are located in which of the following state? Number first is the Jagyapeta in Andhra Pradesh, Devni Mori in Madhya Pradesh, Sannati in Karnataka. Choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Durand Commission. Durand Commission is nothing but a commission which has authority to sketch the line of the which of the following is related. Number first, resolve the dispute related to the Thin Khatia system in India. Second, give effect to the diplomatic relations between British and Tibet. The delimit the boundary between the United India and Afghanistan. Fourth, look into the demand of the separate electorate for Dalit. So you have to choose the correct option. Durand Commission was set up to what is the reason behind the commissioning of the Durand Commission or the making of the Durand Commission. Number first, resolve the dispute related to the Thin Khatia system. Second, effect the diplomatic relationship between the British and the Tibet. Third, delimit the boundary between the United India nothing but India, Pakistan, Bangladesh with Afghanistan. Number fourth, look into demand for the separate electorate for Dalit. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Seismic gap refer to which of the following activity? Number first, part of the plate boundary having no volcanic activity. So it is the type of a plate boundary which has less volcanic or no volcanic activity. Second, section of the plate boundary that have not ruptured in the recent past. So that is the type of a dormant type of a volcano there. Number third, part of a plate boundary is in ocean where tidal tsunami occur frequently. Number fourth is the section of the plate boundary that have ruptured repeatedly in the recent past. So that is the opposite of the second thing. I again repeat the question. Seismic gap refers to which of the following activity? Number first is the part of the plate boundary having no volcanic activity. Section of the plate boundary that have not ruptured in the recent past. Number third, part of the plate boundary in ocean that have a tidal tsunami very frequently occurred. Section of the plate boundary that have the rupture repeated in the recent past. So you have to the correct option from the given option. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the environment section with reference to the microbats. Microbats, the question is for a microplastic. Consider the following statement regarding the microplastic. Microplastic, micro is very small. Plastic is nothing but a ethylene which has made the plastic. Number first, the plastic pieces measuring less than 1 micron. So how we define the microplastic? That the definition is given. Is it they are the plastic pieces measuring less than 1 micron? What do you mean by 1 micron? The diameter of the particle of the microplastic is 10⁻⁻⁶ meter. Second, they found in cosmetic, toothpaste and table salt. So you have to choose the correct option from the given option. First, second, both first and second, and neither one, neither two. Let's see the next question. Next question is the answer of the first question. First question, for example, the state legislature can perform which of the following act function with respect to the urban local body? Yes, that is the function. All three are correct. Providing for the maintenance and audit account of the municipality. Deciding the authority to which an election petition can be filed questioning the municipality election. Manner of the election of the chairperson of the municipality. So that is decided by the state government or the legislative assembly. Basically, all of the following are correct. The state legislation make provision with respect to the maintenance account of the municipality and auditing such account. The 74th Constitutional Amendment Act barred the interface by the court in the electoral matter of the municipality. Declared that the validity of any law relating to the delimitation of the constituency or that most of seats to such constituency cannot be questioned in any court, so that is the prerogative of the state government legislature. It further laid on the no election to any municipality is to be questioned except by the election petition presented to such authority in such a manner provided the state legislature, so that it is determined by the state legislature how the PIT in the petition is in front of the election commission be called. All the members of the municipality shall be elected directly by the people for the municipal area. The state legislature may provide for the manner of election per chairperson of the municipality, whether the election is direct or indirect, that depend upon the state legislature completely. So that is the thing that are given in the through the 74th constitutional amendment, the power given to the state legislature more probably. Next question is about the following statement regarding the first and third are करना सुन्नति in Karnataka and Jagapetta in Andhra Pradesh, Devani Muri, let's see, I think UP में होगा ये, not Devani Muri in Gujarat. Let's see. First and third are correct. First page is correctly matched because Jagapetta is an important stupa site at the Venki in Andhra Pradesh. Other important site in the region are the Amravati, Bheti, Rolpa, Nagarjun, Konda, Goli sector. Right. Second is also not correct because Devamuri is an important Buddhist site in Gujarat. It among the most important stupa site around the Gangetic Valley. Number third is also be correct because Sunnati is an important site where the rock stupa has been excavated in Karnataka. It is the largest excavated site, basically stupa site. Next question is the Durand Commission. Third is very much is news and it is a very easy question. Delimit the boundary commission between the United India and the Afghanistan. The Durand Commission was set in 1893 to define the Durand line between the United India and Afghanistan. Consequently, currently it formed the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan also. So see the correct option there. Let's see the next question. Next question is Sesame Gap refer to which of the following section of the plate boundary that have not ruptured in the recent past. That is the correct here. Sesame Gap is a section of the plate boundary that have not ruptured in the recent past. That is the definition of the Sesame Gap. It is also known that there is a number of the Sesame Gap in the Himalaya with the potential slip and produce greater than 7.5 magnitude. So that is the dormant type of situation. Whenever the things is incited or ignited, the magnitude of the volcanic activity is 7.5 magnitude, or the earthquake that they are happening because of these rupturing. Next is the microplastic. Only second is correct. They are found in cosmetic, toothpaste and towel falls. That is correct. And first is not correct because the micrographs are plastic pieces of fiber measuring less than 5 micrometer. They are used in personal care product handmade of the polyethylene that can also be made of the polypropylene, polythene, tetraphthalate, polymethyl methacrylate and nylon also. So first is not correct. That is the 5 micromillimeter. They are widely used in cosmetic, hose, exfoliating agent and in personal care products such as toothpaste, as well as the biomedical research. Research study has shown its presence in the table salt also. They are so small that a person can barely feel them, but they just feel them that these are things existing. Their roundness and the particles has created a ball bearing effect in creams and lotion, resulting in a silky texture and spreadability. What do you mean by the ball bearing? Ball bearing is nothing but there is a ball, there is other ball, there is the when you apply the force here, this force is applied to this thing and that also be affected. They also clean the things. So that is the ball bearing effect. Let's see the next thing. Next thing is the 25th Constitution Amendment of the US Constitution. What is it? Let's see these discussing. Okay, 25th Constitution Amendment. What is it? 25th Amendment, President, Vacancy and Disability. Number first, the 25th Amendment has 4 sections providing the procedure for replacing or succeeding the President or Vice President. Mean that how the transition period of any of the democratic government went through the election came into power, how they can be succeeded, and the earlier government, if they failed to get the majority in the House, they should be replaced. That is the situation and how this is happening. That is given in the 25th Constitution Amendment of the USA. 25th Amendment has 4 sections providing the procedure of replacing or succeeding the President or a Vice President in the event of the death, removal, resignation, illness, incapacitation. Section first, what he said. Number first, in case of the removal of the President from office or a death or resignation, if this situation had happened, the Vice President shall become the President, prohibiting the departing President from returning to office. So that is the thing there. Whenever the Vice President is made, when the death or resignation is due to, then the Vice President becomes the President there. Section 2 is addressing vacancy in the office of the Vice President. Then the President shall nominate a Vice President. So if there is a mishappened with the Vice President, then President has the power to choose or nominate a Vice President who shall take office upon a confirmation by majority house of the both of the Congress. So both of the, whether be the representative house of the and whether be the representative house of the government of the USA or the Senate, that should consider through the 3/4 majority that they should be, yes, he is eligible. Number third section, the President is able to declare his or her inability with his written declaration that he is unable to discharge the power. So it is a type of a self-affirmation that he could not be able to manage the whole administration, then he can declare themselves or written declaration they can given, so that he should not be put in office. So then the vice president take over as the acting president. So section 4, what is it? Address a situation where the vice president and a majority of the cabinet determine that the president is unable to discharge his duty. So it is the power given to the vice president. That the president is not able to give and discharge their duty, then the vice president immediately assume the power and duties as an acting president. So that is the situation. And why is it the aftermath of the violent mob invading the USA Capitol that house both the USA as well as the House of Representatives? They are called to invoke the disability clause of the section 4 of the 25th Constitution before sitting amendment for the Trump. What does it mean? The vice president, acting vice president, that they think that the president is not following their duties and responsibility that is given to them, then the vice president take power to it. Next is the disability clause in the 25th Amendment. What is it? The process of the what is the invocation of the 25th Constitutional Amendment of the USA? That is the thing. Section 4. What is the disability clause? Disability is nothing but a president could not be able to do their duties. The process ultimately requires 2/3 vote of the both houses of the Congress, while president can impeach by a single majority in the House and removed by the 2/3 vote in the Senate. So in a representative house, the simple majority is taken, and 2/3 of the Senate, that is the representation from the different state of the USA, that should have the consensus or consent through the 3/4 majority there. The president can claim that no inability exists, that Congress shall decide finally. However, the 4th section of the 25th Amendment has never been invoked. What is the relevance of 25th Amendment? Let's see. It is an effort to resolve some of the continuing issues resolving around the office of the president. If the president becomes able to fulfill his responsibilities, so it is the type of deterrence in front of the president. Whenever he is not able to do their duty, then the vice president has the power to replace him. Second, in the aftermath of the President Kennedy assassination, Congress proposed 25th Amendment in 1965, and finally it was ratified by the state on February 1967, because there is a consensus between the Senate also and takes time. So that's why 2 years is taken after the assassination of the Kennedy, president of USA. Most recently, President George Bush twice invoked 25th Amendment to temporarily transfer the power of this presidency to Vice President Dick Cheney in 2002 and again in 2007. So that is the thing there. Okay, revisionary part, for example, India cities in the post-pandemic world. Let's see. Rebuilding cities post-pandemic is an opportunity to address the historical challenges in the long term. So that is the thing. Okay, Geneva-based World Economic Forum report titled Indian City in the Post-Pandemic World, produced in collaboration with the Mumbai-based IDFC Institute, highlight country's most pressing urban challenges, which were further aggravated by the COVID-19 pandemic. So that is the thing. Earlier in the urban cities also there is a type of many challenges are present, but because the COVID-19 these things are exaggerated and the impact is much more harder. This report covers 7 things. Number 1 is the planning, 2nd is the housing, number 3rd is transport, number 4th is the environment, number 5th is the public health, gender and vulnerable population, and suggests an urban reform agenda on the basis of the lesson learned from the pandemic. What is the key highlight then? The key highlight of these things is the cities have been the epicenter of the COVID-19 outbreak, because there is a population high, and from the cities itself people are migrating because there is less work to do. They are going to the other country and make their life better and try to make their life better, but after that they are coming, then the spread of the disease from the other country also be the epicenter of the COVID-19 outbreak in the Indian cities. For example, this disparity is much more high in South India, because largest urban agglomeration are found there only, and unequal access to the core public services. So that is the problem there, because whenever the new people are coming from the outside, they do not know about the economic condition and the schemes or policy that the government is formulating. Number 2nd, cities are the key to India's post-pandemic growth. See, whenever there is a post-pandemic growth, if you are talking about in the terms of the economic, that is the key, that is also the epicenter, as cities drive growth, create jobs, and account nearly 70% of the country's GDP. Approximately 25 to 30 people migrate to Indian cities from rural areas every minute. So that is the situation that are existing, and at the demand of the urban cities, and that is the epicenter of the COVID-19. It is the epicenter of the growth itself, and the importance is much more high. Next is about 35% of the urban household out of total 25 million household in India cannot afford housing at market price. So that is the situation there. At market price, for example, household in the city could not be affordable. Low income migrant worker and urban poor have suffered the 12 blow of the lowest income and a weak social protection coverage. So that is the thing. Migrant worker in the village or in the cities has a double whammy, that they are The pandemic has laid bare gender-based imbalances also in public and private life in India's urban areas and exposed significantly gaps that are existing in urban public health system. Then what we can do? But the key recommendation number first, planning करनी चाहिए हाउसिंग ट्रांसपोर्ट पब्लिक हेल्थ इन्वायरमेंट जेंडर वल्नरेबल पॉपुलेशन विच शुड बी फोकस्ड ऑन. फर्स्ट इज द प्लानिंग, restructuring urban planning empowerment to local government, improving space management to reduce overcrowding on the street is quite important. Housing should be affordable and housing and prudent density management should be there in a very planned way. Transport systems should be feasible and should be very cost effective so that people can use it and migrate to whatever they wanted to go. Next, the public health, more fiscal federalism should be there. The government should have rupee in their hand, increase power to city government to tackle public health locally, use of technology to provide a real-time data to bridge gap between the demand and supply or a healthcare services, more trained healthcare personnel and adequate functional infrastructure. Then environment, prioritizing air pollution issues, investing in a hard infrastructure for increased disaster preparedness to construct or reconstruct cities. Gender, institutionalizing gender focus in urban reform, increasing women's participation to remove gender-based impediment. And vulnerable population, make cities more inclusive, addressing the impediment faced by urban vulnerable population, accessing urban opportunity, builder density index of migrants to air policy decision and government schemes, slum upgradation, etc. Okay, let's see the severe that is the discontinued, suspended. Second is the ephemeral or transitory. Number third is the outcry. Outcry is nothing but a indignation. Fourth is the petrifying, that is terrifying the things. That is the main theme of these things. Okay, we already discussed it about all the constitutional and non-constitutional body. Let's see again discuss the election commission and the UPSC. Now, today we are discussing election commission. There is a one election commissioner, two other elections that depend upon the president to nominate. They are appointed by the president. There is not a selection panel. Tenure is 6 or 65 years. Service condition is determined by the president. Removal is done by the same as Supreme Court judge. Tag also be the same as provision. Report commission is nothing like that. Reappointment is not not debar from joining government. That depend upon the government itself. Other remark, they are not charged from the Consulate Fund of India. So that's the situation. Let's see the important desert system around the world. For example, in North America, Great Gibson, Colorado Desert are found. Sonoran, Mojave, Chichuhan in the North America. South America, Atacama and Patagonia Desert. And Europe, for example, Gobi, Taklakalam, Karakum, Kyrgyzstan are found in Asia. Sahara, Arabian Thar, Namib, Kalahari in the Africa region. Tanamis, Great Sandy, Gibson, Great Victoria, Stuart, Stony and Simpson are found in the Australia region. By this, we are ending the session.